How to go live in Facebook Lite. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to go live in Facebook Lite. If you are wondering whether you can go live on low version of Facebook, rest assured it's entirely possible. Open your Facebook Lite application first. On the home page, you will notice a box that says what's on your mind next to your profile icon. Click on the box and you will find options like photos, videos, and also go live option at the end. Select go live, then click on got it to start, and here you can enter anything you want to say. Then click on go live button. A prompt will appear requesting access to your camera and audio. Allow them and continue. Your live session will commence. You will see your video feed indicating that your broadcast has started. When you are ready to end your live video, look at the finish button below the screen. Click on it to conclude your live session. Facebook will inform you that your live video will be displayed on your timeline. Choose to continue or not based on your preference. If you decide not to keep the live video on your timeline, click on the delete button. Confirm the deletion by clicking delete. And there you have it. That's how you can go live on Facebook Lite. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.